Hello. In this video, we're going to be going over your brake checks, not to be confused with your air brake tests. Okay, for your brake checks, we're going to be going through the parking brake test, the trailer brake test, and the service brake test. So, we have already removed the chalk from behind the wheel, and we have already built our air pressure back up to governor cutout, as you can see by the two gauges right here. So our first test is going to be our parking brake test. For your parking brake test, you're going to leave your parking brake set and you're going to release your trailer brake. We're only testing the brakes on the truck. We're going to go ahead and put the truck in gear by pushing in the service brake and putting the selector into drive, and we're going to tug on the brakes. All right, and the brakes are holding the truck in place, so they are working correctly. So let's go ahead and release the trailer brakes and put the truck back into neutral. Next, we're going to move on to our trailer brake test. For this test, we're going to leave the trailer brake set and we're going to push in the tractor brakes. We're only checking to make sure that the trailer brakes are holding the trailer in place. So we've released the tractor brakes, put the truck into drive, and we're going to go ahead and pull on the trailer brakes. It may be hard to see in the camera, but I am tugging and they did not move. In reality, what you're checking for is that the brakes on the trailer are holding and the coupling connection between the tractor and trailer, that's where the kingpin and the fifth wheel are connected, are properly connected. If those are properly connected, you should not be able to drive anywhere. This is very important for in the future when you go to hook up the trailers to make sure that you are coupled correctly. Alright, and on our last test, we're going to do our service brake. So we already have the tractor brake pushed in. We're also going to release the trailer brake. We're already in drive. We're going to get the truck up to 5 miles an hour. And what we're looking for is for when we push the service brake in, if the steering wheel is going to go side to side or if the truck doesn't brake well. So here we go. 5 miles an hour. And then nice and easy on the brake. Don't need to slam down on it. Okay, so the steering wheel didn't go left or right and the truck did brake. Now what you would do is you go ahead and set your brakes. You could just pull out the yellow valve, check them both, make sure they're out, put the truck into neutral, and take your foot off the service brake. That would complete your brake checks. You would then free to move on to the rest of your in-cab inspection.